The black-headed bulbul. The black-headed bulbul is a medium-sized songbird native to the forests of Southeast Asia. Males measure approximately 16 to 18 centimeters in length and weigh around 20 to 30 grams, while females are slightly smaller. Both sexes exhibit a distinctive black head with metallic blue-green sheen, dark olive to yellow-olive upper parts, feathers of lower back and rump bright yellow with blackish bases, bright yellow upper tail covers, rounded tail which is rich yellow at base and tip, broad black subterminal band, blackish wings, bright olive yellow outer webs to secondaries and tertials forming large solid panel on inner wing, black bill and brownish black or dusky legs. Juveniles are much duller, with less pronounced wing pattern, dark olive or brownish head and throat. This species inhabits subtropical and tropical forests, including montane and lowland areas, favoring dense vegetation and forest edges. It is commonly found in regions with abundant fruiting trees, which provide its primary food sources. Black-headed bulbuls are often observed in pairs or small groups, foraging for fruits, berries, and insects. Their behavior includes hopping through the underbrush and occasionally feeding on the ground. Regarding conservation status, the black-headed bulbul is currently classified as a species of least concern by IUCN, indicating that it does not face immediate threats to its population. However, habitat loss due to deforestation poses potential risks, and ongoing conservation efforts are essential to maintain stable populations. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please feel free to like and subscribe.